Think you need thousands to get rich? Nope. Here's proof you don't. I'm not some Wall Street guru with a private jet. I'm just a regular guy who's been burned by bad money moves and figured it out. You've got $100 burning a hole in your pocket? That's all it takes to start growing your cash today. I've got 5 dead simple ways to invest that $100 and watch it climb. Stuff banks wish you'd never hear. Stick around and let's make some money together. Number 1. Buy an ETF like VOO, Vanguard's S&P 500 fund. Sounds fancy, right? It's just a slice of America's biggest companies. Apple, Amazon, you name it. You can grab a piece for about $50 on platforms like Fidelity or Robinhood. No sweat. Last year it averaged 10% growth. Turn your $100 into $110 by next year, and that's just the start. I put $200 in once, forgot about it, and it's up 20% now. Easiest money I've made. Wall Street hates this because it's too simple. They'd rather sell you complicated junk. 2. Micro-invest with Acorns. This app's a game changer. Rounds up your daily buys, like a $3.50 coffee to $4, and invests the spare change. Drop $50 to kick it off, and it grows in low-risk funds while you're binge-watching Netflix. I tossed in $10 once, forgot about it, and 6 months later, it was $15. Banks hate this trick, too bad for them. It's not millions, but it's money working while I sleep. 3. Snag a Treasury bond. Yeah, it sounds like something your grandpa talks about, but hear me out. It's Uncle Sam's promise to pay you back, safe as a steel trap. Go to treasurydirect.gov, and $100 buys you a chunk at 4 to 5% interest right now. That's $4 to $5 profit, locked in, no drama. I did this with $500 once, steady cash, no stress. 4. Dividend stocks, like AT&T. With $100, you can grab a few shares on Robinhood, and they pay you 5% a year just for holding $5 straight to your account. It's like your money's got a part-time job. I bought into a stock like this, and every quarter, cha-ching, free cash. Who needs a side hustle when your hundreds hustling for you? 5. Dip into crypto, Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's the wild card. 100 on Coinbase gets you a tiny slice, and yeah, it's a roller coaster, but it's doubled in a year before. I threw $50 at Ethereum once, woke up to $90. Don't bet the farm, but play smart. Risky, sure. Rewarding, oh yeah. Beats letting that $100 rot in a drawer. There you go, 5 ways to invest $100 and watch it grow. No rich kid trust fund needed. Investing's not just for suits and penthouses, it's for you right now. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe for more money hacks like this. Hit that button, and let's grow easy together. Your wallet's thanking me already.